Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing front running orders in Forex. All right, so front running basically is a concept where a trader tries to enter a position before a large order moves the market. In traditional financial markets, front running using insider information is illegal. All right. Just going to put this here. But in Forex, the concept is often discussed in terms of understanding how large orders affect price. Okay, so large institutions like banks or hedge funds, place big orders that can move the market. So these orders don't happen instantly, they are often executed in parts. All right, some traders try to anticipate where these large orders might occur by looking at liquidity zones, right? That's areas where many buy or sell orders are likely placed. Okay, for example, areas near support or resistance, often contain clusters of orders. So instead of reacting after the move happens, traders try to position themselves ahead of it. Okay. However, this is not easy and requires experience in reading price action and understanding market structure. The key takeaway is while you can't truly front run like institutions, you can actually learn to anticipate where liquidity and large orders might influence price. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.